Last episode, tower crane and piston lifting crane were used to pull cars out of sand and snow holes. In this episode, let's see if there are other ways to get cars unstuck. In a deserted area.
Stop, you thief!
Here, take this.
There's a sand hole. I'm stuck. How'd you get my car unstuck from this sand hole?
How to build a bulldozer. Step 1. Build the truck body. Add the conveyor belt. Add the engine. Connect the battery box. The bulldozer head. Step 2. Connect the head to the body. Testing.
Stay calm.
The bulldozer is here.
What can this vehicle do?
Don't worry.
My bulldozer will lift you out of the hole.
But how about the sand hole?
I have an idea.
I'll turn this sand hole into an underpass for cars to cross between two sides of the road. The underpass is complete. Put a bridge over it, and done.
Thanks for your help. I need to chase the thief now.
This underpass leads straight to my house. How convenient.
Do you have another way to get your car unstuck?
Somewhere in North Pole.
I will build a more modern gun.
Back to the garage.
We need a car which can shoot more bullets, be more powerful, and follow moving targets. Let's build it together.
How to build the rubber band minigun. Step 1. Build the gun barrel. Step 2. Build the gun carriage. Attach the gun barrel. Step 3. Complete assembly. Rubber bands. Add rubber bands. Add rubber bands. Testing. The minigun is working smoothly. Succeed.
Great, let's test with some targets.
Testing with the wheel. It deals great damages.
All right.
Pass. Testing with colored paper. The paper is being punctured. Pass.
Yay, we passed the challenge. Now turn back to the forest.
Let's go.
This is our chance to attack him.
All right.
Yes!
Oh, yes!
We caught him. We won.
You have been arrested for illegal hunting of animals.
Do you enjoy playing Alex?
I wish I had a super big ball house.
Piece of cake, I can do it. I hope you like it.
I really like it. You're awesome.
Huh? Stop! Huh?
In the previous episode.
Wait a minute.
Step 1. Install the body. Step 2. Install the wheels. Step 3. How it operates.
We did it! So scary.
Huh? Are you okay?
I'm okay, but the car is broken.
I have an idea.
Step 1. Install the body. Step 2. Install the wheels. Step 3. How it operates.
Huh? Huh? My money!
Prince, please save me from here.
I will come save you right away.
Go through dangerous stages to rescue the princess.
I can do it.
Round 1. The Cerberus.
Let's start.
What breed of dog can jump higher than the Castle? If you answer incorrectly, you will lie under this acid flow.
Ugh! Any dog, because the Castle cannot jump.
Yay! Yeehaw! Yes!
Are you okay?
Thank you, NASCAR. I only have this gift for you.
Thanks.
You got me trapped.
Who are you?
Round 2. The Witch.
You're so cruel.
Now listen to my question. What is as big as an elephant but weighs nothing?
An elephant's shadow. Yeah, it's me. Let's go.
Round 3. The Godzilla.
Please ask a question.
What has a bank with no money?
The river bank.
Yay!
Let's go.
Wow! Yeehaw!
Please wait for me, princess.
Round 4. The Plant Monster.
Last round, so it should be easy. What?
When I'm young, I'm tall. And when I'm older, I'm short. So who am I?
A candle. Why haven't they disappeared yet? Let's go.
Cheers.
Oh no, why is the machine not working?
Where is my drinks? I'm so thirsty.
I'm sorry. Please kindly wait a minute.
What is happening? Oh no.
Please stay calm.
Unbelievable.
I'll rate your restaurant 1 star.
1 star.
That's terrible. Rate 1 star.
Oh no.
The customers all gone.
I have an idea to attract customers.
How to build the soda vending machine. Step 1. Build the beverage pump. Add water pipe. Propeller. Add water. Step 2. Build the frame. Connect the pump to the machine. Cup holder. Step 3. Complete assembly.
Several days later.
Welcome.
How can I assist you?
1 Fanta and 2 French fries, please.
Okay.
Here's your fries.
Thanks.
Your drink is over there.
Enjoy your meal.
A giant Fanta cup.
We're running a special promotion for our restaurant.
Amazing. I rate your restaurant 3 stars.
Thank you.
My turn next.
I wanted to. I love this restaurant.
The biggest drink I've ever seen.
Awesome.
Your drink are ready.
Earth 666.
Just for $2, you can get TV Man, Speakerman, and the most popular characters.
Wow, that's really awesome.
Don't miss them. Try it today.
This is the largest capsule vending machine I've ever seen.
I've got to try it. Huh? Skibidi toilet?
I return spells doomed for the planet.
So scary. I must find a way to defeat it. Please, I need a more powerful character. Let's build. Go for it, Speakerman.
Take my attack.
You're not my competitor.
Oh no, I gotta do something. TV Man. Camera Man.
Huh? Too easy. You guys have made me angry.
You think you'll be able to defeat us? We win!
How to build the capsule vending machine. Step 1. Build a bill acceptor. Engine number 1. Bottom row of wheels. Sensor. Step 2. Build the bowl tray. Add the engine. Automatic door. Pillars. Step 3. Connect the motherboard. Start. Step 4. Build the case. Mystery balls.
Keep the change. You're welcome. Enjoy your day. Good morning, guys.
Juice vending machine.
I want blueberry.
Kindly wait. Processing now.
Processing now.
Orange juice. Blueberry juice.
Yeah. Great. Got our drink. Awesome.
YOLO.
Yummy.
Ice cream vending
What
machine.
favor do you want?
Just buy all. I have plenty of money.
The ice cream here is delicious.
Apple. Add the apple. Mixing. Dispensing ice cream. Add the sprinkles.
So yummy.
How to build the ice cream machine. Mixer zone. Push zone. Build the mixer zone. Step 1. Build a mixer blade. Step 2. Build the engine. Step 3. Testing a mixer blade. Build the push zone. Step 1. Build a patong. Step 2. Build the engine. Step 3. Complete assembly.
It's all mine.
Come on, I like that.
Mixing. Add human bones. Bananas. Add bananas. Dispensing ice cream. Add the sprinkles.
The taste is disgusting.
Fast food vending machine.
I'm starving. Hope I can get the hamburger.
Input the money. The strawberry donut.
Oh, a donut. I don't need this.
Input the money. The pizza.
Are you trying to drive me mad? This is my last bit of money. Ew.
Burger.
Stupid machine.